morning guys, and welcome to my weekly vlogs. Yes, I decided to start back doing this again because I know I really enjoyed it and some of you guys said that you wanted to see it. I wouldn't be doing it on a daily basis. I would only be doing it weekly, but still that doesn't mean I'll be doing it every single week. I'll only do it on weeks that I have a lot going on, things are hectic, and I probably have interesting things going on. I'm thinking about also doing it daily if I have something interesting going on that day and I want to share with you guys. Not so sure. Iffy. Let me know in the comments below if you do want to see more of my vlogs, and depending on how much of you are watching them, because then I would know if to continue doing them, because I don't want to just do something that you all don't want to see at all. Like you all just like, oh, she posts another vlog and you just don't want to see it. I want to post what you guys want to see. So let me know if you want to see more of these vlogs. So today is Wednesday. Today's an errand day. I have to go to a photo studio. I have to go to the grocery. I was supposed to go to the bank. Not sure if I'm gonna have time to do that today. And I have class tonight also, 5 to 8. So let's just get ready to do all of those things today.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I.
So here in the grocery, I needed to pick up some things for a video. So right, I need to pick up some things for a video, and then I needed some personal things for me. I ended up picking up donuts and things. Watch this cute thing that I got, guys. This card, this is the chocolate, and it says smooches. And this is the card. That's like the cutest card I ever see. You won't believe how much like these Valentine's displays that have like so many like Valentine's Day chocolates and things. It's ridiculous how much the Valentine's Day display is. I don't know why I find myself in like the personal care section when I live in Pennywise for that. But I've just picked up some things for a video. Things for me, I'll go in photo studio after. Mommy is somewhere around, I'm not sure where she is right now. So today we are home to shop and things. In the subway right now, in the washroom, I decided to vlog my outfit. This shea material top, pants up underneath, bag of course, and then we have black ties. Simple black ties that I love to live in. For example, lipstick kind of coming off. Wasn't gonna wear lipstick. Wasn't gonna wear lipstick at all actually. Have no makeup except lipstick right now. But decided to leave it on because I did a little bit of filming before I left, so why not? And I got a heat protector. I really didn't have any heat protector at all, and I did say that I have to buy one. I didn't think I would buy it today. If you guys have used this before, let me know what you think about it. I haven't used it yet. I don't put a lot of heat on my hair in general, so think that I needed this. This is keratin. Let's see. Keratin Infusion Suave Heat Defense. So I hope that this works good. If you have used it before, let me know what you think about this, guys. So this is my outfit for class: a regular black hoodie and some black pants. So let's go to class. You guys, it's 10 to 10 right now in the night. Something when I come home, when I should be lying down getting ready to sleep, this is what I'm doing, and I'm hooked. And this is probably like the 6th or 7th video and I'm just not stopping. This has to be the last one. This is what animal videos, guys. Animal videos. Like I've been watching like a million dog videos for a while now. I need to stop. Good morning guys. So today is Tuesday. Not too long reach home. I had to drop daddy to work this morning, and right now I just like really. Yesterday when I went in the grocery, I bought a new coffee creamer, and it's actually the first time I'm having like a liquid coffee creamer. It's weird, but I actually got up this morning thinking, okay Kavita, you're gonna use this coffee creamer today because I've heard plenty of people talking about it, and I was like, it's real good, this is real good, so I want to try it. I want to make my coffee a little bit different, you know. Also, like when I was driving back home, I realized, like, I don't know if this happens to you all, but it happens to me almost every single time that I drive. When I'm almost home or like close to where my destination is, my favorite song starts playing. No joke. Favorite song always comes on, and I heard one of my favorites, like Bollywood songs from since I was like small. I'll play it for you guys a little bit later. Like, it brings back so much memories. Honestly, that was like, it's still one of my favorite songs. Like, honestly, I love that song so much. Is the coffee creamer, guys. It is the International Delight Hazelnut. Now, let me tell you, I've seen plenty of people say that this is really good. Not specifically the hazelnut one, but I've had like the hazelnut syrup that people use, like baristas actually use, and they like, honestly, it tastes real good. So I was like, okay, this hazelnut will taste good. But this was just way too expensive, because I know this is imported, but it was like way too expensive. This was like $35 for this bottle. Okay, so no joke, I had to be a weirdo and taste it before I actually put it in the coffee, because it's way too much tasting it, right? This is amazing, guys. I didn't even know it was sweet. Like yesterday I was reading, right? Here's the thing. This might be funny. I'm not a comedian, guys, but I just looked at the calorie count here, and I was like, I saw 35, and I was like, I know I paid $35 for it, so I'm just like, did I pay for my calories? It's funny, guys. Not kidding, guys. This coffee is like the best. This coffee tastes real good. Like, oh my goodness. This hazelnut. Listen, if you haven't tried this International Delight Creamer, you have to try it. I have class 11 too, so I'm gonna do some work, then I'll like go and get ready for that. And I think I have to do some filming. I actually did some filming last night. After I showed you guys, I was watching dog videos, yeah. But if I actually come home early, like once I'm not feeling so tired after class and something, I would either do some work or film. It depends, but we'll see. Cookie love! Cookie! Cookie! So right now I just had a little bit of filming to do. Just finished doing that, and the background of my video, this is what's going on in the background of my video. This is my baby. Y'all, everybody already know my baby. Mahesh. Mahesh, say hi.
Hi.
Cookie. Cookie, tell everybody hello. Yava. Yava, say everybody hello. Cookie. Pooch. 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 Hey, Cookie. Come. So today's Friday. It was supposed to be my study day, but didn't get a chance to study at all. Today we ended up cleaning Mommy's room because Mommy really wants to clean her room. So it was me, Mahesh, and Mommy cleaning her room. Okay, I get real tired because I'm just really lazy. I take a nap, and then I still just a little. Today just like, it's not my study day anymore. Just like studying just cancelled today. And I'm here lying down with Pooch. Y'all know Pooch. Cookie? Cookie? Please say everybody hello. Baby. Hey baby. That's how Friday run. We'll see how tomorrow works out. Hopefully I get to study tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday. It's pretty early in the morning. I have to go drop Mahesh's room now. Then after that, when I come back, I have some editing for tomorrow's video. I have to do some tidying up in my room, and I really want to try to get some studying done between this evening and tomorrow probably, because I didn't get to study yesterday. So we'll see if we get all of that done today. So I got me some iced coffee. I think this is real good. This real good. Watch, it's looking real good too. Got some iced coffee. Got me some food. So I'm gonna eat now. It's like after 12 and things, so that's a good time to eat lunch. I don't really eat lunch on time, so this is pretty good today. Today, what else? Okay, when I finish this, I'm gonna actually edit. Gonna do some studying after that. Like, when I was planning this month, I designated 2 days for me to study, like actual entire days to study, which is different for me because usually I would do like a couple hours. I never really had a study schedule, but I would do like a couple hours on certain days, or like every day, whatever the case is. But these days now, I try to do for the entire day. I don't do much like big errands or any other thing else beside like schoolwork and study, and I try to do like all my assignments, projects, and heavy studying on those days. The first day was Tuesday, so I have Tuesday and Friday definitely for that. Tuesday worked out real good. Actually did like real plenty work. Friday wasn't so good because Mommy wanted to clean her room, so that kind of get in with my schedule, mess with my schedule a bit. I feel like I just really want to see how it working out for February. I'll let you guys know at the end of February if it worked out pretty good, but so far it did, and I hope it really continue to work out like that. Although I may change up the days because I'm not somebody who likes to stick to certain routines all the time, like the same routines all the time. I kind of tend to need some like little changes because I kind of just get fed up of the same thing over and over and over. So that going good so far. I'm hoping that I am able to keep doing that for the entire month, and yeah, so let's just go eat and then edit. Y'all, I feel like I'm in a hot mess right now. Not feeling so good because you know how I mentioned yesterday I was cleaning and I actually kind of have sinus. It was never like growing up, honestly, like growing up I never really had problems. I never had allergies or anything like that. I was like free from all of those things. But when I returned like 18 and 19, I feel like things started acting up and I realized, okay, I have sinus. After I finished cleaning thing yesterday and I took a bath, I actually went to sleep, and when I get up I felt like I had sore throat, so I was like, okay, I get it cool. Get up this morning, feel good. This evening now I realized like my throat's actually hurting and my tonsils was hurting, and then like right now it actually swollen, like it kind of hurting like when I swallow. It's not the first time this happened. Like I feel like in ever so often my tonsils is getting inflamed, and twice I went to the doctor about it already. The connection that I found like between yesterday and today is that sinus makes my tonsils swollen, but the thing is, it's not like a full connection to say like that always happens. Like when I'm plenty dust, my tonsils just get swollen. No, but I would say that my sinus cause, like having sinus something could probably cause that to get swollen and thing right now. But it's not like sometimes it's just get swollen and get inflamed just for no random, just for I don't know, and I don't be eating anything out of the ordinary, and it's not sinus at all. So I don't know. I think I really have to go to the doctor about this. I mean, like, I did consider doing like getting it removed at one point in time. I don't know if I'll do that later on, but I don't feel like I want to do that like right now. So that's about it. It's kind of horrible to eat right now.